Alright, we're playing Buckshot Roulette, a computer game by Mike Klubnik.
What did he say?
I don't want to say that, it sounds bad. Let's play some Buckshot Roulette, I guess. I have never played this game before. I mean, I only saw like 2 minutes of gameplay by Moist Critical, so I don't know what to expect that much. Are we in like a club or something? Can I move? Nope, can't move. What the hell? Kick that door down. Yeah. Please sign the waiver. Oh, I could actually put my name down. Wait, can I also? Yeah, you know what? Let's just do that. What? 1 live round, 2 blanks. Alright, he's gonna load them in, I guess. I insert the shells in an unknown order. Let's do it. I don't like this. Okay, yeah. Shoot him now.
Got him.
Yeah! I'm good at this. I'm good at this game. Yeah, let's go do that. Okay, 3 live rounds, 2 blanks. They enter the chamber in a hidden sequence. I know, you told me already. Well, most logically, we would start with this. See? Now we're gonna shoot you. I'm so good at this game. What the hell? I'm so good. I'm so good at this game. Yay! I win! Where's my money at? What? We have to play again? Let's make things a little more interesting. All right, bud. 2 items
Stupid.
each. 1 items before every load. Hey, yo. Alright, I get just 2 beers. 4 lives. 1 live round, 1 blank. So it's either you shoot yourself. It's either I shoot myself for it. Yeah, let's just drink this. Oh no! Oh wait, I guess I shoot myself now. Now you gotta load it. God? What? Okay. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna drink a beer. Nice beer. Okay, good. Gonna lock you here. Yeah, put those on, bud. Yeah, put that on. I'm gonna shoot you. I get to shoot you again now. Now it's more likely I kill you. See, I'm goated. I'm just goated like that. Okay, you broke out. You're hideous, by the way. Smoking a cig? You know those are bad for you, right? Damn it, man. What the f happened? Something happened in my room. Something fell in my room. Alright, magnifying glass. That. Alright. 3 live round. Yeah. 3 live rounds, 2 blanks. Load those in, buddy. Drink this beer. Let me know. Okay, that's good. A blank. I'm gonna use that saw. And now I'm gonna use this. It's a blank. Alright, I'm gonna shoot myself.
stupid.
I wasted that then. Damn it. Well, now it's obviously gonna, because the 2 blanks are already shot. I know it's a round. It's a live round. I'm not playing this good. Actually, I'm quite Don't kill me.
Nah, B.
No. You're lucky I left you with the charge. Oh, thank you, man. Get up, spider. The night is young. Sounds like you're trying to...
What did he say?
Do something bad to me. Alright, we're gonna go back there again. I'm pissed off. I'm gonna win this. Don't know what the hell is going on there. Let's play some Buckshot Roulette. Give me my money. Welcome back. Stuff here. Beer. Handcuffs. 1 live round, 1 blank. Gotcha. Alright. Bro, I'm gonna just... Yeah. Yes, take those. Now I'm gonna kill you. First shot. Yeah. You know it. It's obviously blank, right? Alright, yeah, you do your stuff. Okay. Okay, 2 live rounds, 2 blanks. Alright, so I got an idea here. Use a beer, then use a handcuff, then saw it. Damn it. Yeah, you take those on. You put those on, bud. I'm first gonna do the first shot. Okay, now I know for sure the next round is gonna be dangerous. So I'm gonna cut that off. Now I'm gonna shoot you, cause you're a little... Damn it! It's 1-to-1 odds now. It's 1-to-1 odds. Now he's gonna break that. He's gonna break his magnifying glass. He's gonna shoot me. Yeah, you gonna do it. Ouchie. Alright, so you did that. Alright, magnifying glass, put that right there. Okay, thank you. 3 live rounds, 2 blanks. I'm very bad at this game. Alright, let's check the round. Okay, it's live. So time we even the odds, huh? It's time to even the odds. Time to even the odds. Now he's gonna use his SIGs now. Frickin' drug addict. Very interesting. Nuh-uh. No, I don't wanna. No!
And I use the as a motor.
Frickin' drug addict. It's gonna shoot me. Because it has the load. Careful now. Okay. Now this... Now he's gonna shoot himself, I'm calling it. Yep. That's funny right there. It's funny. That's pretty funny, man. You actually thought, man. You really thought. All right, so now that has to have the blank in it, right? Yeah, I was right. I wasn't even keeping track, bro. Yeah, to be honest, I wasn't even keeping track. I'm gonna just handcuff him so I can just shoot him twice. Because the odds that it's back to back. The odds that it's back to back is pretty low. So I'm just gonna shoot myself now. I could have saw it and I would have won. Now I'm gonna shoot myself for my... Oh! Twice. Alright, we got a magnifier whatever it's called. Now if we play this right, I can just have the whole entire gun the whole entire round. Okay. Okay, it's a blank. Okay, the odds that it goes back to back blanks is not very likely, so I'm gonna shoot him. Yes, I was so right. I'm a genius, bro. I'm a genius. Like Kanye once said, I'm a genius. Yeah, break that magnifying glass. Very interesting. Now he's gonna shoot me. He's gonna shoot me, but that's not gonna matter. He's no back-to-back cigarettes. He's gonna go back-to-back cigarettes. A freaking. He's addicted, bro. He's addicted. You don't shoot me. I'm back. Back from the dead. Now give me that gun back. Give me that cigarette. I need some cigarettes. I'm sorry, I don't like smoking this. I'm not usually a smoker. Okay, 2 shot. It's gonna be a blank. Knew it. Alright, so I'm playing this pretty smart so far. Alright, three live rounds, 2 blanks. Do I have a magnifying glass yet? Wait, let me check. Okay. Imagine I go back to back though. I'm gonna shoot first with none. Okay, now it's definitely gonna be a. Now it's definitely, and when I mean definitely, I mean it's definitely gonna be a. It's gonna be a live round. It's gonna be a live round. I promise you, it's gonna be a live round. It's gonna be live. It's gonna be live. Go to hell, bud. Okay, so it has 1 blank and 2. Has 1 blank and 2. Oh shit! I did not think this through. Oh, now I'm back. Well, guess what, bud? You're on 1 life. So it's 1 blank and 2 lives. That's. What was the counter again? You know what? Yes, I win! He's so bad. I was just guessing it. It was like a 50-50. He might be a bit pissed. It's like a boss battle. Long last, we arrive at the final showdown. No more defibrillators, no more blood transfusions. Now me and you, we are dancing at the edge of life and death. Connecting the defibrillator. Alright. How many items are we gonna get? Are we just gonna get 2? Well, okay, thank you, 4. Okay, exactly what I needed. Alright. You know the drill. Yep, I do. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna shoot myself. Goodbye, cruel world! Ah, okay. God damn it. Alright, now it's gonna be back to back. So if I can just shoot him once and then shoot him with the saw, that would be good. Alright. Alright. Now we're gonna saw this off, and now you're gonna die. I'm gonna win this, first try. Calling it. What? Wait, I did not calculate that right. I got 2 SIGs, 2 saws. I don't even know the order. Let's just drink a beer. Alright, so there's a... So the odds that it's gonna be... I'm just gonna shoot myself, see what happens. Alright. Now, I'm gonna take the saw, then I'm gonna shoot him. He's gonna die. Yep. Say hi to Valhalla. Damn it! He's gonna shoot me, isn't he? Okay, two blanks have been... He's gonna shoot himself, I'm calling it. He's gonna shoot me. He's playing this pretty risky. Yay! So... I'm just gonna shoot you. See what happens. Oh, good play. Two beers, some stuff here. I have an idea here. And then that determines everything. Alright. Alright. Say hello to my little friend. Bye bye. He's gonna be on too. He only has one cigarette left. It's gonna be no point. Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready. What? Very interesting. Yeah, you gonna shoot me? Smoke a cig? Okay, he's going up one. Now he's at 3. Handcuff me? Uh-oh. Very interesting. Now it's either he shoots me or I get shot. Yep, I'm dead. Like Scoob, what's gonna happen? I've been counting. Now for what you did. Very interesting. Ah! I think I'm dead. We're at even playing ground. Alright, I'm done, man. You're pissing me off. Unfortunate. Alright. 4 lives, 2 blanks. Alright, so... First, you're gonna have some handcuffs on, bud. You're under arrest. Alright. I'm gonna smoke some cigs here. Smoke another cigarette.
And I used to be a smoker.
Ooh, that feels so good, man. Drink a beer. The odds that it's a blank. Okay, thank you. Evens the odds a bit. Yeah, let's just saw him up. I shouldn't have wasted all my cigarettes, honestly. I won? Wait, I won? I didn't realize that. I won? Wait, did I win? Yo, I won! Yo! Yo, look at that money! Yo, look at that money! That bastard deserved to die.